Hello again, welcome to week number 5 of the quiz. This week, as with previous weeks, I'm just going to start with the scores and then move on to the overall scores. Then I've got 30 questions this week, as always, and it's going to be round 1 is dingbats, which is probably going to be a little bit tougher than the previous week's picture quiz, so I'm going to give you a little bit more time. Round 2 is going to be on 2015. Round 3 is on capitals and landmarks. Round 4 is on sport. Round 5 is on TV and film. Round 6 is on music. As always, don't cheat because you're only cheating yourself. There's no point in doing it if you're going to end up cheating. And I will go through all the questions once, read them again with a brief pause in between, and then the answers will be read out at the end. Quiz number 4, the results should be coming up on the screen now. Won't go through them all, but I will go through the top 5. We haven't had any new people come into the quiz this week, so I will just go through the top 5, which is Cock Will In on 22, Must Try Harder on 22, A High Price to Pay on 22, Me and Bob on 25, and Tipsy at the Tiki Bar on 28. So obviously some good results, some teams who had a really good week there. So well done. As normal, I won't go through every single one of them, but there has been some movement and you'll probably end up noticing yourselves a little bit more than me read them out, but I will end up telling you about the top 3. So there has been a change at the top. So as you will see, the top 3 are Vinnie's Crown Jewels, the Cockwell Inn, and Tipsy at the Tiki Bar. And Tipsy at the Tiki Bar knocked the Cockwell Inn off of top place this week. So obviously well done to everybody. And obviously still all to play for, even though these 3 are fairly well ahead. Few more weeks to go, I mean, at the moment, so we haven't heard anything about any kind of release on the lockdown, so plenty of time for people to end up catching up. As I mentioned, they're a little bit tougher this week, so what you've got to do is you've got to link the word to a phrase. So question 1, you need to link what that actually says. Think about it and use a little bit of logic. Question 2, exactly the same. What are those two? What does it mean? Question 3, the same. Question 4, really good think about it. You might need to pause this as well when you're doing this quiz on these questions. And question 5, quite like question 5 myself. I think it's really clever. Question 6. In July 2015, the USA and which island nation re-established diplomatic relations after 54 years of hostility between the two countries? Question 6 again. In July 2015, the USA and which island nation re-established diplomatic relations after 54 years of hostility between the two countries? Question 7. In September of 2015, scientists discovered ancient remains of Homo nidalli in South Africa. But what is Homo nidalli, an ancient subspecies of? Question 7 again. In September of 2015, scientists discovered ancient remains of Homo nidalli in South Africa. But what is Homo nidalli as an ancient subspecies of? Question 8. In September 2015, we also saw a car manufacturer being accused of rigging diesel emissions tests over 11 million vehicles. What was the name of the car manufacturer? Again, question 8. September 2015 also saw which car manufacturer being accused of rigging diesel emissions tests in over 11 million vehicles? Question number 9. 2015 saw NASA announce liquid water to be present on which planet? Question number 9 again. 2015 saw NASA announce liquid water to be present in which planet? Question number 10. The Rugby Union World Cup took place in the autumn of 2015, but which team won the competition? Question 10 again. The Rugby Union World Cup took place in the autumn of 2015, but which team won the competition? Round 3, capital cities and landmarks. What is the capital city of Australia? Question number 11 again. What is the capital city of Australia? Question number 12. What is the capital city of Latvia? Question number 12 again. What is the capital city of Latvia? Question number 13. The Moai statues of Easter Island are world famous, but which country does the Easter Island belong to? Question number 13 again. The Moai statues of Easter Island are famous, but which country does Easter Island belong to? Question number 14. The lost city of Petra is in which country? Question number 14. The lost city of Petra is in which country? Question number 15. What is the capital city of Bangladesh? Question number 15 again. What is the capital city of Bangladesh? Question number 16. Who replaced Sir Alex Ferguson on his retirement as manager of Manchester United? Question number 16 again. Who replaced Sir Alex Ferguson on his retirement as manager of Manchester United? Question number 17. In cricket, what does LBW stand for? Again, in cricket, what does LBW stand for? Question number 18. How many rounds did Mike Tyson finish off Frank Bruno in Las Vegas in 1989? In question number 18 again. How many rounds did it take Mike Tyson to finish off Frank Bruno in Las Vegas in 1989? Question number 19. What is the oldest flat classic horse race in British calendar? Question number 19 again. What is the oldest flat classic horse race in the British calendar? Question number 20. What is Usain Bolt's world record 100 metre time? Question number 20 again. What is Usain Bolt's world record 100 metre time? Question 21. Which island was King Kong captured from? Question 21 again. Which island was King Kong captured from? Question 22. Leslie Nielsen, O.J. Simpson, and Priscilla Presley starred in which 1980s movie franchise? Question 22. Again, Leslie Nielsen, O.J. Simpson, and Priscilla Presley starred in which 1980s movie franchise? Question number 23. Which 1963 classic horror film took place in the coastal town of Bodega Bay? Question 23. Which 1963 classic horror film took place in the coastal town of Bodega Bay? Question 24. In the 2019 Netflix series The Witcher, what is the name of the Witcher? Question 24 again. In the 2019 Netflix series The Witcher, what is the name of the Witcher? Question 25. Which 1998 Tim Burton film starred Michael Keaton as a bioexorcist? Question number 25 again. Which 1998 Tim Burton film starred Michael Keaton as a bioexorcist? Question number 26. What album title do Prince, Metallica, Jay-Z, and Spinal Tap have in common? Question 26 again. What album title do Prince, Metallica, Jay-Z, and Spinal Tap have in common? Question 27. What does karaoke mean when translated from Japanese? Question 27 again. What does karaoke mean when translated from Japanese? Question number 28. Which musician has followers called Little Monsters? Again, question number 28. Which musician has followers called Little Monsters? Question number 29. You're going to see a picture popping up on your screen. What I'd like to know is the band in that. And this week you're going to get an extra point if you can get the name of the album. So again, this is a 2-point question. Question 30. Again, another picture should be popping up, and it will be a point for each if you can name the band and the album. So we'll go through the answers as they appear. So you'll see the dingbats. They were, question 1 is no idea. Question 2 is bury the hatchet. Question 3, the answer is laminate. Question 4, the answer is short-sighted. And question 5, my favourite, the answer is apple pie. Okay, so answers to round 2. Question number 6. In July 2015, the USA and which island nation re-established diplomatic relations after 54 years of hostility between the two? The answer is Cuba. Question number 7. In September of 2015, scientists discovered ancient remains of Homo nidalli in South Africa. But what is Homo nidalli an ancient subspecies of? The answer is ancient humans or humans. Question number 8. September 2015 also saw which car manufacturer accused of rigging diesel emissions tests on over 11 million vehicles? The answer is Volkswagen. Question number 9. 2015 saw NASA announce liquid water to be present on which planet? The answer is Mars. And question 10 on round 2. The Rugby Union World Cup took place in the autumn of 2015, but which team won the competition? The answer is New Zealand. Round 3, capital cities and landmarks. So, question number 11 was, what is the capital city of Australia? The answer is Canberra. Question 11, what is the capital city of Latvia? The answer is Riga. Question 13. Maui, I'm not sure how to say it myself, so it's like I'm just making this up as I go along. I've never ended up hearing it, seeing it written down. So the Easter Island Heads are world famous, but which country does Easter Island belong to? The answer is Chile. Question 14. The lost city of Petra is in which country? The answer is Jordan. Question 15. What is the capital city of Bangladesh? And the answer to that is Dhaka. The rally fans among you all know that one. So, sport, question round 4. Question 16. Who replaced Alex Ferguson as Manchester United manager after his retirement? The answer is David Moyes. In cricket, what does LBW stand for? The answer is leg before wicket. Question 18. How many rounds did Mike Tyson take to finish off Frank Bruno in Las Vegas in 1989? The answer is 5. Question 19. What is the oldest British flat horse race in the classic season? The answer is St. Ledger. And question 20. What is Usain Bolt's world record 100 metre time? The answer is 9.58 seconds. I need that exact. I think that sports round was pretty tough for people, so well done if you got most of those right. Film and TV. Question 21. Which island was King Kong captured from? The answer is Skull Island. Question 22. Leslie Nielsen, O.J. Simpson and Priscilla Presley starred in which 1980s movie franchise? The answer is The Naked Gun. Question number 23. Which 1963 classic horror film took place in the coastal town of Bodega Bay? The answer is The Birds. Question 24. In the 2019 series The Witcher, what is the name of the Witcher? The answer is Geralt of Rivia, but I will accept Geralt. Question 25. In the 1998 Tim Burton film, which 1998 Tim Burton film starred Michael Keaton as a bioexorcist? The answer is Beetlejuice. Round 6, music. Question 26. What album title do Prince, Metallica, Jay-Z and Spinal Tap have in common? The answer is The Black Album. Question 27. What does karaoke mean when translated from Japanese? The answer is empty orchestra. Question 28. Which musician has followers called Little Monsters? The answer is Lady Gaga. Question 29. Here's the picture of the band and the album, and the answer is Blondie and Parallel Lines. And question 30. What is the album name and band? The answer is The Clash and London Calling. So again, thank you very much for everybody who's taking part. If you can send me through your scores as normal, we'll keep this up. So thank you and goodbye.